Everybody, Corey Dutko here, Dutko Reagan Homes and Investments, and I wanted to show you a little sneak peek of our newest project in the Lynnhaven community. Right down the street from HQ2, right down the street from National Landing and the new metro coming in, so we're super excited about this project. We've actually done a couple of these renovations and sold a few of the homes in this neighborhood over the past couple of years, and we bring these through a complete transformation. They're 1950s small, kind of row house colonial, small, closed off, very formal spaces. And as you can see behind me, it's demo week. We completely blew out these walls. Excuse the mess, it's a little dusty and dirty in here today. But as you can see here, there was actually a full wall that divided, which was a really small living room and a very formal dining room, as well as another wall you can see through here that led to a very tiny galley kitchen. So what we're doing by blowing these walls out is completely opening the space. It's going to be one informal open space, lots of natural light coming through. And the kitchen now is going to wrap all the way around the wall here, with a big breakfast bar peninsula here, so when you walk in, you can see front to back, and just that much more casual, open living that everybody's looking for these days. Excited to bring you the finished product. As you can see, we're in the very early stages now, but we'll check back in a couple weeks to show you progress. See you soon. Everyone, so we're standing here in the basement of our project in Lynnhaven, and pretty excited. We actually have over 7-foot ceilings here, which is a nice surprise for this neighborhood and age of house. This before, as you can see, it's a work in progress. We've just demoed the bathroom, we've just framed up the walls, but it's gonna come a long way from where we started. It was a dark, dungy basement, shag carpet, wood paneling, drop ceilings, no bathroom, and pretty damp down here. So what we're doing actually is doubling the size of the living space. You can see this is a big open rec room. We're going to put a closet in here as well, so someone could use it as a guest bedroom or third bedroom if they like. And it's pretty cool. We're going to make this an entertaining space. We're going to have a stackable washer and dryer coming right here in front of me. And tucked away behind that, we're actually going to have a full wet bar for entertaining. We've got a walk-up basement here behind me. And also this is going to be a full modern bath with a walk-in shower, all new recessed lighting throughout. So again, we're just in the starting phase of this, a couple weeks in. Looking forward to show you the finished product, and we'll see you soon.